Hello class, how are you?
Fine.
Okay, stay home, stay safe. I am Nargis Shahid Ahmed Tulwe. Warm welcome in my YouTube channel. In our last video, we learned 1 to 25 numbers in words and frame sentences. Today, we will continue it 26 to 50. TWENTY dash SIX 26. TWENTY dash SEVEN 27. TWENTY dash EIGHT 28. TWENTY dash NINE 29. THIRTY 30. THIRTY dash ONE 31. THIRTY dash TWO 32. THIRTY dash THREE 33. THIRTY dash FOUR 34. THIRTY dash FIVE 35. THIRTY dash SIX 36. THIRTY SEVEN 37. THIRTY dash EIGHT 38. THIRTY dash NINE 39. FORTY 40. FORTY dash ONE 41. FORTY dash TWO 42. FORTY dash THREE 43. FORTY dash FOUR 44. FORTY dash FIVE 45. FORTY dash SIX 46. FORTY dash SEVEN 47. FORTY dash EIGHT 48. FORTY dash NINE 49. FIFTY 50. 50. FIFTY. There are 50 birds. 31. THIRTY-ONE 31. January has 31 days. 27. TWENTY-SEVEN 27. There are 27 tomatoes. 46. FORTY dash SIX 46. These are 46 apples. 29. TWENTY dash NINE 29. There are 29 trees. Homework. Write the numbers in words 26 to 50 and sentences given in the video. In our next video, we will continue the numbers 51 to 75. Okay? If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.